Hi, I'm Jack from SharpCloud, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the most out of interactive filters in SharpCloud. So by the end of this video, you'll know how to use interactive filters and some of the higher level features that you can start to use with them. So you can see here I've got a SharpCloud story open on a layer view. And there is a set of interactive filters along the bottom, setting me filter by category, which is the same thing that's currently on the swim lane for this view. If I go into either my view setup in general or into my filter setup, either way I can get through into the interactive filters. Firstly, I can configure labels, and I could add some of the default filters that we have set up, like item tags, owners, item type, source story if it's an enterprise solution, and I could also select from a drop-down list to find different attributes that I'm using, like availability or cost reduction. Something I'll note here that can be very useful is the related items filter. So if I scroll down here to the option for related items, I could filter by related goals, for instance. And then I could take the view that I have and just see, in this aerospace example, for instance, what's helping to improve flight safety. It's all these technologies, all these partners, all these risks. They'll all appear in the interactive filters below. You can see that I've got quite a lot of filters here, so I might want to condense my interactive filters. What that will mean is that they'll appear as these flip-up menus that let me select the particular things that I want to filter along. I can also, if they're uncondensed, see things like if any attribute is being used as a background color. So for instance, category is being used as a background color here. And because of that, the interactive filter shows a filled in option that reflects that color. So in a sense, that kind of acts as a legend to let someone coming in know what is being used as the background color. Similarly, if this were to be set as the border color, it would then appear around the border. So if I just go into the view setup for the sake of example, and I set the border color to availability, then you can see that this attribute changes to show that as the border color. So those are some little tricks around using those interactive filters to start to just get a bit of rich information. I'll also show, while I'm in the filter setup, that you have this option to define filters, and that will let you take specific things out of the filter and kind of set up the properties in ways that suits you. So that's always available on any view. Lets you go a little bit deeper into how you're using your interactive filters. You can do the same with relationships as well. And taken together, all of these filters let you take a view that has a certain set of information and break it down into the things that are important to you. I'll point out, while you're in create mode, you do get this option to save any of the filtering that you've done. It won't automatically save, so you don't have to worry when you're filtering that you're losing the items that you're filtering out. But if I try to jump through to any other view, I get this option to say you have unsaved changes. Do you want to discard them and leave the view how it was? Or do you want to save them? Have you decided that the filtering that you did makes the view better than it was previously? And if you have, then you have this option to select save changes. So those are some key things to know about using interactive filters to a high level. And at the end of this video now, we've learned lots of different things that you can do with those interactive filters. Thank you for watching.